Welcome to my video explaining the Year 7 statistical investigation that I completed for the topic EDUC3625. For the purpose of this investigation, I looked at the following question. Do Year 7 boys sleep more hours per night than Year 7 girls? My hypothesis. I predict that Year 7 boys will sleep more hours per school night than Year 7 girls. Because of the need for accuracy in this investigation, time will be rounded to the nearest hour. The data was sourced from the Australian Bureau of Statistics Census at School 2014 questionnaire. The data was sourced by asking questions to a random sample of 60 Year 7 students in Australia, separating them by sex and asking them how many hours they sleep per night. To get a clear representation of the results, I chose 60 random Year 7 students. This table shows the original data source from the Australian Bureau of Statistics, with girls on the left and boys on the right. The data was put into numerical order so I could easily see the range of data. What is clean data? Clean data is data that is clean to eliminate any obvious errors, which outliers will affect the accuracy of results. I have not cleaned my data, as when the data was collected, no students said they had slept 0 hours per night. There are many different ways which data can be displayed. Stem and leaf plots, along with dot plots, tables, double column graphs and sector graphs were the appropriate data displays for Year 7 as part of the numeracy capability. Students must compare, describe and interpret data in a two-way table, also including digital media such as Excel and Google. I first created 2 stem and leaf plots showing the distribution of data. I then created a double column graph which shows most females and most males sleep around 9 hours on an average school night, and that there is the variation between the two groups. It was a great way to represent and see my data. The dot plot showed the exact same representation of data as the double column graph. I also created 3 sector graphs which represented the percentage of students who sleep certain hours per night. This was a great graph to use as it clearly represented the data. This table represents the statistical summary, seeing the difference in the data. This gave me the data I needed to answer my original question. The mean represents the average, the medium is the middle value, the range is the difference between the lowest and the highest number, and the mode is the most frequent number used. My initial prediction was correct. Even though the data was so close, Year 7 boys sleep on average 9.1 hours per school night, whereas girls sleep 9. I hope you enjoyed my video on my statistical investigation, and thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.